Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can buy low and sell high using RSI below 30 and also RSI above 70. Alright, so before I dive into this, if this is your first time coming across this amazing channel, do what to subscribe, like my videos, share my videos so that a lot of people can actually gain value from this amazing content. All you just need to do is to watch this video carefully, stick with me from the beginning to the end if this is actually what you want to learn. So right now, we're going to dive into that and see. Let's go. Okay, so here we are. What we're going to do actually is buy low and sell high, right? So here we are. We're going to look for a particular cryptocurrency coin that have a reasonable reading of RSI. That is that the RSI is below 30, that we can dive in and buy, and also cite an example with the one with a high RSI that's already overbought, so that we can cite an example with them. So the main reason for this tutorial is to show you how you can buy low and sell high. So without a waste of time, let's quickly look for one particular cryptocurrency coin of our choice. Maybe I should make use of Hcoin. Yeah, but actually right now Hcoin is undergoing a rational move. All right, I'm also in this trade, but I didn't buy with much. You can see I didn't buy with much. So here we are. I didn't buy with much actually. I bought with 30, and I think I'm having $8 profit right now. So this is how it actually works. So since this H coin is already doing well somehow, let's look for another coins. Maybe I should make use of camp. Yes, no. Let's make use of camp coin. Okay, make use of camp coin. Now here we are. Right now, this is what is happening in the camp coin. Okay, let's look at the RSI. All right, the RSI right here, which is our target, is actually 49.18, which is roughly 50, and 50 is what is neutral movement. 50 is neutral movement, but when it's above 50, then the trend is becoming stronger. Okay, all right, let's look at here. And looking at the RSI here, what we're actually looking for is taking a neutral movement. You can see right here, it's already taking a neutral movement. Okay, so we can buy here, right here, and wait for it to increase for us to sell. So we can buy low with this as well. But one of the major things you always check before you buy is this, as I said. So you must wait for this to be 30 or below 30. Most importantly, below 30, so that you can be able to buy low. And once you buy low, and when this place becomes 70 or above 70, prepare to sell, so that it will not drag you down all of a sudden. Okay, so when you buy it when the RSI is below 30, then you buy low, or you have bought low. And when you sell when the RSI is above 30, is above 70, then you make a profit. Definitely you make a profit. So trading is simple, but it's actually technical, and trading and crypto cannot be trusted, so you are bound to make your own reasonable research before diving into crypto trading, or before purchasing any particular cryptocurrency coin. So with this particular cryptocurrency coin now, we have invested 30 USD, and after investing this 30 USD, tomorrow we're going to go into check how much we have made from it. Okay, if we made some few profit, it's fine. We'll bring it out on a short for you to see. Okay, so if you understood this, or you are understanding this, or you are getting this, please do it to drop it in the comment sections. Tell me I'm learning something, or I learned something. All right. So this brings me to the end of this particular class. If you do have any question, actually do what to drop it in the comment sections, and I'll attend to you ASAP. So thank you so much. I'll see you in my next class. Bye.